good evening! Welcome back sa aking channel. So for today's vlog, ayan, pupunta kami ng where we go? Pullman Hotel. So doon kami mag New Year's Eve. Happy New Year everyone! So ngayon is 7:36. So 8 PM po mag-start yung ano namin, dinner until 12. So may countdown ng 12 o'clock. So see you later! Hello everybody! Dito na naman si Inday sa labas. So tomorrow is January 1. So welcome 2025. Ang bilis ng panahon. Dito pa rin ako sa Doha, Qatar. 2025 na. For how many years staying in Qatar. So ayan, hope na-enjoy niyo po yung New Year kung saan man kayo. Ayan. So sa Pinas tapos na yung New Year's Eve kasi na yun, 7:37. So 7 PM dito, so 12 o'clock sa Pinas, so wala na. Tapos na yung putukan. Tapos na ang putukan sa Pilipinas. New Year 2025. So dito kasi wala, may fireworks pala dito. Kasi hindi kami pwedeng maka-attend kasi nga di pa may dinner kami. Sa Lucille Boulevard yung fireworks. Last year din merong fireworks for New Year. So, ayan, malapit na kami mga lalabs. Medyo malapit-lapit na kami. So, maya ulit doon sa pagdating namin sa hotel. So, mga lalabs, ayan, malapit na kami yan na Pullman Hotel. Araw ko itong dinadaanan ng mga lalabs. Pouncing work. Pasok na tayo. Ayan. Happy New Year! Happy lang, bawal sad. So ito po yung Pullman Hotel mga lalabs. Ang ganda. Oh, diba mga lalabs? Wow! Ang ganda. Cute. Diba? Ayan, punta na kami sa restaurant ng lalabs. Dito po kami mag-dinner sa Avenue. Ang dami ng tao. meron pa kaming friend darating. Oh, dessert.
Very good.
Cheers!
Rum and coke. Happy New Year. Rum and coke, yeah. Sorry, you don't have cocktails on.
Happy New Year,
You don't
Dad!
have cocktails on. You don't have cocktails.
Second batch. Second batch.
Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Korean.
Malay ko.
Malay?
Happy New Year! Tapos na, New Year. Uwi na kami.
Because I
Hi,
need to put my
mga
belt and
loves.
everything.
Uwi na kami. Happy New Year, everyone! Wala na. New Year is over. 2025 na mga lalabs.
Another struggle.
So we face again the struggle, the bad and the good times. It's like that.
Just
So,
like that.
Hope this year
Will be good for all
is
of
good
us.
for all of us, especially for me because last year, oh my God. But thanks God I'm still alive. So, what to do, Yanni?
At least no gallbladder this year. So it's okay.
Yeah. So, yun lang mga lalabs. Nag-ano lang kami, nag-dinner with our friend.
Sure.
But I like the countdown from Crossroads last time. No? It's very nice. Because it's big space also there. Ganda ng mga lights. Ay, that one Turkish restaurant. That
Sure.
may Oh. Oh, I'm sure that is color. La 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 la. So many people outside. Daming namasyal. Ngayon is 12:25 p.m. They don't put lights now. No lights. Stop. Ay mga lalabs, yan ko na po yung aking video. Thank you so much everyone and Happy New Year. Good night everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.